Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts in Davinci Resolve. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, for this video, we are just going to follow this article. And basically, all you need to do is to have or to follow these steps. And basically, you will need to start setting up vertical videos in DaVinci Resolve because the YouTube uh, videos or the short videos are vertical. And all you need to do is just to go uh, to turn your DSLR sideways, and that will ensure to have good quality footage. And you can also use your smartphone for your footage so you can have good quality or good coloring for your video. And basically, for the project setup and DaVinci Resolve, you will need to make sure to go to the DaVinci Resolve and the Edits tab, and then go to the timelines, and then you can create a timeline, and you will find some uh, give it a name, etc. After that, you will need just to adjust your timeline setting, and you can uncheck the box that says use project settings, and you will need to add this format for your resolution. And basically, this is the vertical format for your YouTube Shorts. And after that, you can choose 30 FPS or 29 FPS or frame rate, so you can have a smooth YouTube Shorts. After that, you will need just to start importing and dragging and dropping your clips, and then you can start resizing the footage by zooming in and zooming out the footage until they fit your timeline or to fit your frame. And basically, you can have some additional customization like the blur edge, so you cannot have the sharp edges for your video, and they can be appealing for the eye. Also, you can start having to fade background and add some drop shadow, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.